Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to create a bird woman artwork. For that, let's go to imagineart.com. We haven't used it for a long time, and write the prompt: image of a beautiful girl, long open flowing hair, clear white background, red dress, golden brown hair flying in the air, Nikon HDR real life. And we download these two artworks, and now we go on to pickwish.com and select these, go into select this file and let it kind of come to life. Okay, so this is what it is. The hair has got cut, as you can see. Let's quickly just get our hair in. Okay, and yeah, I mean, a little rough cut here and there is fine, because we are going to be doing something very different where we don't really need the exact texture of the hair. Say apply and free download. Okay, so again come to Pickwish, remove background and do it for the second image also, because today I'll be showing you all how to work with the same artwork differently. Now this also we downloaded, we delete this. Okay, it's not needed. I think these two images are better. Let's take both of them. Okay, one here and the other on the wireframe, and we crop this, because as you can see there is a lot of transparency also that has come in, which is making the image bigger. Okay, so we work with this image first. Okay, and take it on the side, increase the size to 210. Okay, and move this outward. Now come here. Okay, that's not working. Never mind. We come here and we use the custom smear tool to create this kind of an artwork. So now take this image, copy paste and take the crop tool. Okay, and now we crop it, and this is what you will get. Delete this extra image and flip this. Just overlap it slightly and flip it. This is how it will come. Now get into wireframe, because you don't know where this image is starting and ending, and just always use the base of the or the top of the image so that you know it's happening properly. Yeah, this is good. Now select this, select the main image also, select this and the main image and convert to bitmap, so they both will get welded to each other. It will become one piece, right? So now you take the smear tool again, use a bigger brush, and now let's try smudge and custom smudge loaded cover. Okay, make it at 100 and let's see what it happens, because we don't want smearing, we just want to smudge this area. Okay, and so that it kind of becomes somewhat like one piece hair, kind of thing. And this is what we get. Now we have downloaded dispersion bird artwork, and we take it from your right align, enlarge it, and now we add. See, this is our final thing that we are looking at. Okay, so now there are certain places where we have to do our work, and we are going to work around that area. Okay, this is what we are looking at. Make it black and white again and create this gradient transparency, Yeah, this is good. And say convert to bitmap. Okay, so this is what you'll have to keep doing. See, this is what how it should look. But now the face, a lot of the face is being covered in this. So then too we'll work as near as possible with this. Yeah, this is good. And then we nah, okay, this is good. So again convert it to bitmap. And because this part is out, so we work around that also. Again convert to bitmap. So this is a simple way of doing this. Say add, and this is what you get. Now, so you see this face area. So this face area is creating a problem for us. So what we'll do, we'll take this, create an outline. Okay. Now, and then we'll convert the outline and that image to bitmap. So this is what we get. Then you come on to our Corel photo paint and you can see the outline. So now you take the eraser tool and erase along our line. Always erase a little inside the line. Okay, very important it is to erase inside the line, because you don't want your things to actually mess up. Then you come to this really light eraser, increase it to 100 and just run it once across, and make sure that you're erasing your line also, because the line was any which way inside, it was not outside. Okay, so we are safe there. Okay, so the line is not really going to affect our artwork, and this remaining line now you delete with the solid eraser. Okay, so this is what I'm showing you. Now remove the little bit of white also that is there and say finish. So that transparency also that we had put, that is also kind of taken for care of. Okay, so this is enlarge it, and this is what you will get. Again normal, increase this transparency because I think it's not yet done fully, and now convert this to bitmap, come into add, and we are done. Okay, so this one piece is done. Now what we'll do, the main image that is there, now we'll work on the face. Okay, so this is how we want it. So it should have a highlight, very strong highlight and dark light. So that's what it is. So we come here, get into edit, and we change, kind of make the hair also a little better. Okay, so use motion blur at 80 in the smear tool and smoothen this out. Okay, yeah, this is nice. And now take this shape, make it 100, and just brush this area. Okay, a big soft cover and make it 150 or 100. Yeah, 100 is only good. And just give some more hair. Oops, sorry. Be careful, it should not cut into her body, otherwise it will look very weird. Okay, and then we come here and use a really light brush as an eraser, and we complete this. Once done, say finish editing and come. Now select both of them, top and right, T and R, and we are complete with this artwork. Hello, I am very sorry for disrupting this particular video. I'm sure you're really enjoying it. But I have a special announcement that now I have started a series of webinars, and in that particular series I am basically taking ahead anything or any kind of doubt that anyone would have. Let it be, from starting with the basics of the software to basically how they could transit from basic to intermediate to advanced, or if you have any issues regarding how to make print files or papers or different kind of tools, different kind of websites, or how to work with even prompts, while you're working with different websites, I am going to create webinars on all of this. If you have any kind of doubt or you want to speed up your process on creating something good and are looking for a hand holding catapult yourself really fast, then please subscribe to the channel and key in your difficulty. The reason why I'm asking you to subscribe is because all announcements of webinars are going to be there in the future videos. And please enjoy the video further. Now go on to multi-page view, add a page, and let's now look at our other lady, okay, with the same artwork all over again. Now why are we doing this twice? Okay, we'll be doing the same thing, but this time we will work with layers in Corel Photo Paint. Okay, so custom smear, and here I'll really be rushing with this. I don't want to waste your time on this. Okay, what is the same thing? No, we are not going to waste time on that. Okay, yeah, we give her some more hair also. Yeah, isn't she looking more beautiful with some more hair? Okay, then we come here, and this is how our image should be. We need more hair, so we duplicate her, crop most of her hair part, okay, leaving the body behind. Now again overlap, and same thing you do. Erase what is not needed, blur what is there, and this is complete. Again same way, we're going to rush with this really fast at 10x the speed. Okay, we don't want to repeat things. And now we'll work with layer. Now come here, duplicate. Okay, come on to create clipping mask. So just like Photoshop, we are going to create layer here, and we'll be working only on this area. So come into flip this, double click, and make your coloring black, 100% black. Now you click on the filter, and now when you're pressing, now see, we'll close this now, you can see it's happening there. Okay, so this is how you can, it's more controlled, it's not changing fully. Understood? So you can do a lot of stuff here, like image manipulation can be done, where you could apply a Gaussian blur and work around this. So with you could really work wonders in this tool itself, just like Photoshop. Okay, so this is what it is. It's good. We want it this way only. T right. Okay, and now this is how it should be. I think this is good. Okay, let's come here and say add. And now what we'll do, we'll apply transparencies at different places. Okay, this is how it is looking. We erase a little more of it so that we can enlarge the image slightly as per what we want. Okay, and that is about it. Okay, so again near the hair, a little transparency so it blends properly. Convert to bitmap. With the birds also, use the transparency. Yeah, this is good. Okay, and now again come here and say fine, and then say add. So this is how we make our bird girls. Okay, one with a more comic type look and the other is more natural. So my friends, if you like what I have done, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.